Hello guys, so the latest information right now is actually checking out your eligibility on the PAWS right now, and many people are actually getting it out to check and also finding it out to load. I'm going to show you how to get that done right now. So this is what you do. So if you come to this particular site and you click on this particular icon, this particular open site, and you can see is actually going to load or it's going to bring an error right now. So if it's actually not loading at this particular site, this is what you're going to do. So let's just wait for a little while and let's see if this one is actually going to load at this particular site right here. So if it's not loading, we are going to go to the second method. All right, so it is actually load, and this is it. So let me show you the second method right now. So if yours is actually not loading right here, this is what you need to do. Just close this. Right, so let me just go back. I'll close it right here. So then click on this particular icon right here. Then you open from here, from the app on its own automatically. So if your own is not open at the first page, it will open right here. So either of the two must open. So let's go ahead into how to check this eligibility right now. So on this particular account I'm using for this particular video, this is this right here. This is the balance, and this is what I've gotten from this account right here. So if you check out this particular earning, you are going to see I've completed all the tasks. And do not forget, connect your wallet with web. Make sure you do this. And I actually said in my last video, if you're actually following up, I said please make sure the same wallet address you copy on the app is the same one you should copy on. Don't mix it, because that is one of the reasons why they brought it. They are going to be cutting a lot of people out right now. So let's check out the eligibility, and this is the aspect right now. So right here, if you're just watching this particular video for the first time, I'm Ipyong and I make videos about cryptocurrency, finance, and airdrop right here. So you can go ahead to give this video a thumb like and hit on the subscribe button for you to be notified when I drop another video of your choice right now. So that's where you're going to click on this particular site, check eligibility right here. So I'm going to click on it. So clicking on checking eligibility, you can see I'm going to visit the website right now. So visiting the website, I'm using my Chrome browser to do this. So you can select any browser of your choice to get this done right here. So then I need to input my security password right now. This is actually going to load. So let's see what is going to come out next. And the next thing we need to do right here. So the network is quite of going up and down while it's currently loading. So we just wait for it to load right here so we can see what is at the other side of this particular update right now. So right here is actually not working. So it's actually not working due to a lot of traffic on it right here. So I'm going to check again, then click on Chrome again and check. So many people actually be thinking that okay, at this point I have to use VPN. You don't need to do anything just like that. Just wait, because there is a lot of people on it trying to check the eligibility at the same time. So if yours is actually not working, just keep calm. It's still going to work as time goes on right here. So do not just make any mistake, and that will actually hinder the loss of every work you'll be doing for the beginning of this particular year right now. So this is still here waiting for it to currently load right now, and still not loading. So I'm still going to refresh right here. So trying to refresh it and see if it's actually going to load up right now. All right, so after a few minutes, this actually load and pop up just like this right now. So the next thing to go is to proceed into this right now. So we actually complete this, and let's go. So I'm going to click on this icon right here, then click on claim. Okay, click on this, looking for the area we're going to be getting what we are looking for right here. So currently I can't see anything right here. I'm going to go back and refresh again and get this done again. So let me just click on back right here. So I'm going to click on it again, check eligibility, and this is actually going to take me back here. I just want to be sure. So this is the verification part right here, and for me I'm actually not seeing anything like the eligibility right here right now. And let me know what you are thinking and what you saw at your site. Let me know at the comment section of this particular video right now, because currently I can't see. All right, so yeah, it is here. I've seen it. All right, so this is what you do. You come to this particular site right now. So once you see, you're going to see claim right here. So once you click claim, you click on it, right? So right now on the claim, so they are actually doing a proper checkup for me right here. So did I connect my wallet? Yes, I did. Did I complete 30? Yes, I did. Did I save? Yes, I did. Activity check will be available. Yes, I did. Is my balance more than 300? Yes, I did. Wow, wow. So this is the recommended, this is what they're actually doing right here, and they're actually checking this all this together to check the eligibility so that I can actually claim my token right here. So I'm going to wait for it to currently load. It's actually checking my activities check right here, how often I come to this platform to come and log in, to come and log out and get some stuff done right here. So after this is complete, I think the rest are going to like do. So this one is recommended. This particular four are mandatories right here. So I've passed off three, then I'm waiting for the last one to load up right here. So this particular one I recommended for, I think this with this I'm going to be getting more money right here. So this is the vote that is actually available vote. So I purchased a part right here, and this also was the part that we had sold to buy some donation. Then I did this also, I participated. Then the balance that you are going to be having, so the minimum balance is actually 300,000 right here. Wow, that's serious. So 300,000. So that is what you need to have to be able to get this. That's the requirement right now. So this is actually taking a while time, so I'm going to wait for it to load. So once it load, we can click on next to proceed right now. So you can see, okay, it's actually not loading yet. So I click on next, and you can see what they wrote. Congratulations, you are eligible for this PAWS airdrop. This token claim hasn't started yet, so stay tuned for more news and every other stuff. Wow, so I'm currently eligible for this particular project right now. So I want you to know that there's a lot of stuff to check up, and if you actually did everything well the way same way I did it, you are going to be eligible. Please, if you have any question on anything you want me to like talk about, please do not mind to go straight to the comment section and talk about it. So before I go, let's see that. So let's go back to the community post right now. So currently in the community post, the website is actually going slow at this particular point, so you need to be calm right here to be able to get information right here. So do not on VPN for this. Just make sure you are using your personal data. It's actually going to work. Just keep checking it multiple times right here. So I want to check what we have on the pair communities right now. And before I go further, I have a link at the description of this particular video that links to my Telegram account right here. So this is one thing you need to like get involved, to be getting updates and to be updated about any airdrop that is actually coming up at this particular point in time right here. So let me know in the comment section if you are eligible or not right here, and I'm going to stop right here. So do well to have an amazing day ahead, and see you on my next video. You can check this particular video right here, it will be useful for you.